HQ, aka the Black Pill Kitchen, where today I'm a little sick, sorry about that, but we also got a huge upgrade in budget, so that means we're going to be able to shoot horizontally this time, so it doesn't look unprofessional as heck. Yeah, as you can see, we got some orange juice right there, and you know, they say if you get sick you should drink some orange juice, but I think we're going to take it a step further. So today we're going to be curing this cold the Houston way.
Into blackness.
We got our thing of orange juice right here, but I think we should go a little bigger. So, let's get the big mason jar. We don't have styrofoam cups because of some environmentalists. Shake this thing up. Just see the froth on there. Didn't really fill up the glass that much. But. Now we go into the medicine cabinet and get some of this. It's a generic brand. No, tired of this pussyfooting around crap. Let's go for the big guns. Nighttime relief during the day. This stuff's supposed to be super drowsy. See, we've got some of it on there. Blood on there. Oops. Oops, I didn't kill anybody. So obviously we have to have the correct dosage. And you can see, just barely, fill it up right to the line. Here we go. See the color. There you got our spoon. Turn a little more like, at least in this lady. You know what? I tossed a couple of these into the measure. Sorted, so grab bag right now. I think we'll focus. We got a lemon. Another lemon. More. This looks like an orange flavor. Pudding. So there you have it. Let's go back up to my room. I mean, you could use Dayquil instead of NyQuil, but you know, I'm just trying to have a little bit of fun right now. I mean, look at this stuff. You can see the bottom, maybe. I can't really see through this whole thing, but you know, this is the real deal. I'm trying to get really fucked up. Like, my whole bloodline's gonna be off that lean before I know it. So I can't drink this on camera, so I'm gonna have to go behind again. At least this time, I'm not wearing a shirt that doxes me, so yeah, let's go. Taking my stuff off right now. Can't see that. Probably can't see the stuff either. You just see my fan. So yeah, down the hatch. So yeah, here's to hoping that this video doesn't get demonetized, because I'm taking the prescribed amount for the reason that it is given to me. But yeah, down the hatch. Yeah, stuff is quite different. Cough drops are sticking to the bottom. I can definitely taste those. I think. Definitely quite sweet. Has that menthol type aftertaste. good measure. At some point in the show, I'm gonna have to do a face reveal, I guess. Yeah, because it's gonna get boring just having to go off camera all the time. So maybe be prepared for that in the future. We'll see. I almost forgot where I put these things. Dude, I'm already feeling it. Yeah. See? Everything now. Powerful stuff, man. Well, yeah, this feels a lot different. Oh, you probably can't even see me. The camera was angled weird. Yeah, I thought this stuff was good. I think. Where's the jar? I forgot where I put it. This isn't me like putting on an act or anything. I'm just really fogged up right now. It's so hot outside too. I can't even think straight. What am I talking about? I need to. Oh man, my stomach hurts. I don't know what it is. Oh, put it up here. But like half of this thing is filled with like. Is this gonna be a bonus episode? I don't know. I don't know why I made this. This might go up later. Oh man, my face is starting to go now right now. Why did I do this? Why the fuck did I do this? Jesus Christ. See, I told you guys, this is my suffering. This is the suffering I have to go through to make art. And I am dead tired. I hope you enjoyed this video, because if you did, then it is your lucky day. Because everyone who hits that like button, no joke, no scam, I will send you a bottle of NyQuil, absolutely free. It's made from the finest Chinese opium. much is there left? Is that much? Oh no. What worse did I start it out as? I really can't see. Okay, I'll see what happens from here. Hey there, guys. It's been like an hour. I just had lunch. I feel a little better, but I don't know, man. I just want to go to sleep right now. I'm gonna try not to, because that's gonna mess up my sleep schedule, and I have school in the morning. And I can barely keep this camera held up. My arm is starting to hurt so fucking goddamn bad. I can't do anything right now. I am broken. I didn't feel broken, but now I am broken. Love you guys.